The question is, why are most Shopify sellers struggling to get their first sale? Maybe you have website traffic, but it's just not turning into sales like you know it could be. The number one problem most Shopify sellers have is they're using the wrong software. They're using the wrong actual strategies to find viral products. So I'm gonna jump into my computer right now, and I'm gonna show you the strategies that me and my thousands of e-commerce students personally use to actually find viral products before they go viral so that we can actually convert our website visitors into sales. Let's jump into my computer right now and I'll show you. What we're doing right now is actually looking at the number one tool to identify viral products with Shopify, which is Shop Inspect, right? And this is a very little known tool that only kind of the top sellers are really using right now because it's really cool because you can see a lot of really valuable stuff. So let's just actually jump in and start using it, right? So if we type in like dog collar, for example, and press search, right? Where we're searching at the beginning is actually for products itself, right? But we can also see stores. So we can see, you know, what words are actually popular: dog shock collar, dog training collar, 3, you know, people are buying them in packs of 3, quick release, all of the actual real stuff that real people are searching for with buyer intent. We can see what types of dog collars are actually selling, like the water dog, right? Like this particular pink one. We can see illuminated LED dog collars, nylon LED pet dog collars, right? Happy dog bark collar, spiked collars, all of these different things that we can also see, you know, the estimated monthly revenue for these. And then we can see the social media. We can see what their Instagram looks like, what their Facebook looks like, what their Pinterest looks like. So we can see what types of content they're sharing. We can see what other products that they actually offer in their store, or we can actually have Shop Inspect do that hard work for us. And if we want to see shops that actually have dog collars, it's going to show us all of the top websites or Shopify stores out there that have dog collars. So we can see that, you know, Campus Emporium, the Foggy Dog, Tactipup, and then, you know, Tactipup, that's a great name. We can see, you know, the average monthly revenue. This estimate is $122,000 a month for this store. We can see that they get over 78,000 monthly visitors to their store. So Tactipup is obviously doing a pretty good job. And then we can see the best sellers from their store. We can see that, you know, this particular silver one with the sideways American flag is actually selling really well. We can see that the camo one's selling really well. And these are actually selling for $62.95, which is crazy, right? But anytime you call something tactical, you can always sell it for more. So those are two incredibly useful ways to use the product in Shop Search. But that's only part one, right? The part of Shop Inspect that I use the most, and, you know, most of my students and a lot of the 6, 7, and even 8-figure sellers are using Shop Inspect for is the hot products, right? What the hot products search actually allows you to do is they give you a brand new product every few hours, all day, every day, right? And these products are the number one trending products anywhere on the internet. So it's really, really useful when you're trying to actually figure out what products to start selling in your store, because what matters the most is choosing the right products and then finding the right audience, right? Everything else is easy, and everybody's focusing on the wrong stuff where they try to, you know, they spend 3 months making the perfect store, but nobody cares about that. All they care about is the viral products, trending products, and then finding the right audience, right? And so this is literally giving you half or more of the equation, which is finding the viral products. We can see actually how many orders these specific products are getting every single week. We can see that, you know, this baby unicorn horse keychain had 11,342 sales just this week, which is a 336% increase. And what we can do is we can add this to our favorites. And once we actually add it to our favorites, we can come over to my favorites. And now we see it's here, right? We have a couple other favorites as well. And we can download a CSV and we can directly upload that CSV into our store. So we can, in 2 clicks, right, directly import these viral trending products into our Shopify store, ready to be sold, ready to go. So, and once we have those trending products, right, the only thing that we need is figuring out actually how to find the right market, right, to find the right audience. And there's kind of 2 ways to do that. So click the link somewhere around this video that you see right now and join our free training, because we're not only gonna go over more ways you can find viral products, but we're also going to show you exactly how to find, you know, crazy fanatical fans who are going to be kind of beating down your door, metaphorically, to be able to buy these products for you. So if you want to learn more about everything that we just talked about, then you're definitely going to check out the link somewhere around this video. Click the link and join our completely free training, where we're going to go much, much deeper and give you an A to Z blueprint of how myself and thousands of my students have made this work in a way that no other community has. So click the link somewhere around this video right now. Join us for our free training, and I will see you there.